Hi guys, so hope everybody is fine. Welcome back to my channel, and this is LovelyAma. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old, welcome. And if you're now watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe down there and click on the notification bell so that you be the first person to watch my video whenever I post a video. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias too, on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter. Yeah, so guys, today I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to unbox some products I bought on on PipingRock. I think that's how it's called, PipingRock. Yeah, so this is the bust, and guys, I think I ordered this I ordered this in December, and it came yesterday, which was 21st March. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, 21st March. And if you want to order something on this website, because I'll put the link below, if you want to order something, you have to read information about them. If they how do you call it, if they send it to other countries or not. I think in the USA, yeah, they send in London, I think so, in Britain, yeah. But as for in Africa, I don't know. So if you want to order these products, you have to read information about them before you place your order. So we are going to unbox this products, and guys, it's products for hair. It's oils. Yeah, I bought oils for hair. It took long to come, and guys, when you order it and it comes back, you will pay the post too. I paid 22 euros 90 cents to the post. Yeah, guys, so let's see if I can take this out. Okay, I ordered some tea tree oil for my hair, then some rosemary oil, this one too, for my hair. Then I ordered coconut oil, it's for skin and hair. Very nice and cute. Oh, here it is, PipingRock.com. PipingRock.com. That's why I ordered my product. And guys, I ordered grapeseed oil for my hair, and this is 16 flows, like 473 milliliters. Okay, and I also ordered some sweet almond oil, and this one too is 473 milliliters. Yeah, and guys, that's all. And they also put they also put the things that I ordered. So guys, this is all the products I ordered. So I wanted to show you guys what I ordered. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. And if you want to buy some of these products, I'll put the link down below so that you'll be able to access to their page to buy these products. So guys, have a blessed day. See you in my next video. As I always say, don't forget to subscribe, and guys, don't forget to follow me on my social medias and keep on supporting me. Help me to grow my channel. Thanks very much. Bye. One.